Now the next question of the same exercise, third part, and how to solve these questions. First of all, if there is a single term, there is nothing denominator of that, then you can write yourself 1. Why we need to write 1? Because this is a division sign, and when we will change into multiply, so we make this fraction is a reciprocal. So that's why first of all we have to write in the denominator 1, then we can able to change into fraction, into division, into multiplication. When you change into multiplication, so this fraction will make its reciprocal form like that. I'm doing one step more of that one. We can able to write that one same, no change, because we will simplify this term, no issue. X square and y square plus y raised power 4. We will not change of this term, just we have to use this, and we have to apply two formulas are here, which I already told you. One formula is here and second formula is also using here. So this is the both formula at this time. First we will use in the both formulas x square minus y square. We want to use the formula of this one, a square minus b square. Too much use of this formula, a plus b into a minus b. We have to apply this formula in the both numerator and denominator. We can use in denominator because it's clearly show that one, x square minus y square, so we will write that x minus y into x plus y. Finish. But here you can apply the two formulas, but first I want to use the formula of a square minus b square. If I want to use a square minus b square formula, then we have to use this formula, then we have to apply formula. One formula is here. So we don't use formula here. Here we will use the formula of the cube. So we will write first like that, x square minus y square, its power 3, x square cube minus y square cube. Because I will see that when this question will be more simplified. So when you will write that one, x square minus y square, do you know which formula of a cube minus b cube? I have to write this formula which I are using here, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This formula I am using that one on this term, right? So when I will use this formula, so square, a square, so what is in the place of a? At this time place of a is equal to x square and the place of b is equal to y square. So we have to write x raised power 4. You can write directly, otherwise you have to, according to formula, a square, then plus a and b plus square of b according to formula. So in the place of a we are having x square, in the place of b what we are having? Y square. We can write y square here, a and b. Numerator complete, simplify. Denominator. There are two ways to solve the denominator. One, make the factors x square minus y square into x minus y into x plus y. One way is this one. Second way, we have to combine. If we will not expand this one and we just simplify this, then we can able to solve x minus y into x plus y. But better you have to make the factors then cancel, because it is not simplify in all questions. Okay. So multiplication, if the sign of multiplication you can write in a single denominator also possible, because there is one multiply with any term, so it will be the same you can write in a single denominator. So x raised power 4 plus x square 5 square plus y raised power 4. It's absolutely right. It's not wrong. I will explain that again. Because when you multiply by 1, there is no change. So it will be the same terms we have to write expand. Denominator, we have to combine all the terms. So the next line is our final answer. So make the factors x square minus y square. What are the factors? It will become x minus y into x plus y. Right? When you expand this square, what should become? Good. X raised power 4. A and B multiply. X square y square. Square of y. Good. Y raised power 4. Over x minus y into x plus y. X minus y into x plus y will remain same. No change in the denominator. Same you have to write. Okay? X square y square plus y raised power 4. As I told you before, now all the terms are multiplying sign between them because this bracket indicates the sign of multiplication. So what are the cancels? It will be cancelled by this. We will cancel another marker because then you will be clear. It is also same. Finish. So what is remaining? Because that's we cancel by the 1. Don't write 0 because some students are writing 0 because sign of multiplication between them. So the final answer is 1. Hope all of you understand. Because looking like very difficult, but what is its answer? Simple 1. Okay. So after this, we will solve one more question of this question, one more part of this question which you feel difficult. So I am going to explain that one. The next question.